Welcome. In this video, we'll compare the best auto repair shop software, AutoLeap, Shopmonkey, and Tekmetric. I'll break down their key features, pricing, workflow tools, and overall performance to help you choose the right solution for managing your auto repair business efficiently. If you're looking to fine-tune your workflow, well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are diving into Shopmonkey, the #1 auto repair and shop management software that is designed to keep your shop running smoothly and efficiently. Whether you run a small garage or a full-scale repair shop, Shopmonkey is basically built to save you time, boost profits, and keep customers happy. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to visit the official website, which is going to be shopmonkey.io. From here, there is an option on the top right corner or at the bottom of the front page to click the Request a Demo. This would lead you to another page where all you have to do is provide all the information needed so you can test waters by gaining an access to their free trial. You will be scheduled with one of their sales support staff, but if you don't like it and you're not comfortable providing all the information, and you needed some information only via the website, I want you to click on the homepage. Let's look at the pricing, because you would notice that they do not offer a free trial, but they post the pricing publicly. You can start from the basic monkey package, which is going to be the $179 per month, and you would have all of these perks and benefits. You have unlimited codes and invoices, reports, shop workflow, integrated payments, and a lot more. If you want to scale up, there's going to be the Clever Monkey, which is $292 per month, billed annually. Genius Monkey is $427, and of course the multi-shop, which is, again, you need to talk to one of the sales professional so that they could offer a tailored fit solution to your budget needs and goals. Now, let's go back again to the homepage, because if you click the capabilities, you would notice that. Now, let's try to cover all of the information that is available on the website. In terms of the feature estimates, is going to be a section wherein it allows auto shops to create, customize, and accurately repair estimates to customers, including labor and servicing pricing with digital approvals for a smoother workflow. You see this? And then there is going to be a section here that says customer comms or communications. It enables a shop to send automated updates, appointment reminders, and service recommendations via text, email, or phone. It improves customer engagement and, of course, reduces a no-show. Next is going to be the inventory. Basically, this is a section where you can help track and manage auto parts, supplies, and stock levels, ensuring that shop always have the right parts available while reducing waste and overstock issues. #1 is going to be the next is going to be for capabilities is the workflow. It provides a structured way to track jobs from start to finish. It'll help you manage repair orders, assign tasks to technicians, and ensure vehicles are serviced properly and efficiently. The next is going to be the Empowered Techs. It gives technicians digital tools to view job assignments, update repair status, and add notes and clock in and clock out of jobs, reducing paperwork and increases productivity. And of course, there is going to be a section for team management, wherein it allows shop owners and managers to schedule shifts, track employee performance, and manage payroll integrations. Of course, it helps optimize staff workload and efficiency. Next is going to be the reporting. Reporting is something that could generate insights on business performance, including sales, technician productivity, job profitability, and customer strength. Of course, it helps shop owners make data-driven decisions. And the next is going to be the payment processing. This is one of the most important part of Shopmonkey because it securely handles transactions, including credit card payments, mobile payments, and financing options. Speeds up checkout and improves the customer experience. Of course, there is the CRM Essentials, or the Customer Relationship Management. It stores customer information, service history, and preferences, helps build long-term relationships with customers through follow-ups, promotion, and personalized service. The last is going to be the express lanes, wherein it stores customers' information. I hear preferences, helps build long-term relationships with customers through follow-ups, and of course, it also gives you an opportunity for a quick service, streamlining job completion and reducing wait times. Of course, these are going to be the shop types. They support auto repair software, enterprise, for franchising, right? For multi-shop owners, and a lot more. Other service shops right here. Now, for other resources, if you wanted to gain more insights about Shopmonkey, I suggest you go here. One of the best thing about Shopmonkey is that the resource library is basically free. You can get the report right here. If you click this button, then you would have access to some documentations and guidance, especially for blogs. These are the most updated 5-minute reads for you to understand more about Shopmonkey, how they operate, and how Shopmonkey can help you and your business boost efficiency and productivity. Not only that, they also offer the webinar, which is free, all right? So you can level up your repair game from any of the following webinars. You have 4 to 5 minutes, and it's basically free. You have all these access. You don't have to sign up for anything. All I have to do is click this. For example, we're going to go here. It will be forwarded to this section, all right? All I have to do is click this play button. It's like a 1-minute read, but the video is around 4 to 5 minutes. Not only that, you can also go to the resources. You have the customer reviews and Shopmonkey blogs. Now, again, the blogs are earlier where you can read some documentations. I've been reading some of the Shopmonkey documentations right here. And if you wanted assistance, just click this number right here, pick an app, and call the numbers for Shopmonkey. If you wanted to know more about the Shopmonkey's mission and vision, you might want to go here instead. There's a lot. Basically, they do not offer the integrations as of yet because they are a standalone software. If you click the Shop Report software, you can basically download this, the ebook, which is kind of free. And the ebook features are here. Now, again, if you missed out on the pricing, these are the packages for Shopmonkey, Basic Monkey, Plan, Clever Monkey, Genius Monkey, and of course, of the multi-shop. If you have it down below, they also offer an add-on, which is CRM Essentials, and they have a duty. If you view all plans and features, you can compare. Thank you very much for watching this complete comparison guide. I hope this video helped you understand the differences between AutoLeap, Shopmonkey, and Tekmetric so you can choose the best software for your auto repair shop. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical business and software comparison tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.